Good day, engineers. So today we are going to discuss the derivative of the inverse trigonometric functions. So sa last topic natin, diniscuss natin yung mga trigonometric functions. So ito yung mga sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cotangent, cosecant. So today we are going to discuss the inverse trigonometric functions. So, ibig sabihin ng inverse trigonometric functions is ito yung kabaliktaran ng mga trigonometric functions na na-discuss natin from the previous discussion. So, ang inverse trigonometric functions, wait. So, ang inverse trigonometric functions ay tinatawag na anti-trigonometric. So, sulat ko na lang. Anti-trigonometric. So, ito yung mga other terms sa inverse trigonometric functions. Cyclometric, baka kasi mabasa nyo tapos hindi nyo alam na ito pala yung mga yon. Then, yung isa is the Arcus functions. Arcus functions. So, functions, then functions. Wait lang, napindot. So, ayan. So, tulad nung last topic natin na trigonometric functions, meron din tayo dito ang mga different formulas. So, first is the arcsine u, and ang derivative ng arcsine u or the inverse of the sine is du over dx all over square root of 1 minus u squared. So, ito pala, yung ibang references kasi, ang ginagamit nila is sine, then merong negative 1. So, ganyan. So, same lang siya sa arcsine, then itong sine na may negative 1 sa taas. Bakit negative 1 yung ano? Kasi 'di ba nasa inverse tayo? Diba? Tsaka kapag ang negative 1 is magiging 1 over sine. Tama? Kasi negative exponent siya. So, next formula is the arc cosine u. So, yung tip natin last trigonometric functions is kapag mga c, 'di ba? Sinabi ko 'to. Kapag mga c, sila po ay mga negative. So, yun yung isang tip or clue kung kailan magne-negative, kailan positive. So, arc cosine u is negative du over dx all over square root of 1 minus u squared. So, kung mapapansin nyo, same sila. Ang kinaibahan lang is the negative sign. So, next is the arctan u. Ang derivative ng arctan u or the inverse of tan is du over dx all over 1 plus u squared. Then, ang arccotan u is the negative du over dx all over 1 plus u squared. So, ito and ito is same lang din. The difference is itong cotangent is may negative. Next is the arcsecant u. So, ang derivative ng arcsecant u is du over dx all over u square root of u squared minus 1. Then, ang arccosecant u is the negative du over dx all over u square root of u squared minus 1. So, same din sila. Ang kinaibahan lang is the negative sign. So, kayo na ang bahala dumiskarte kung paano nyo i-memorize itong formula. Pero, ayan, makikita nyo naman. So, same lang to. Ang sabihin, ganito na lang gawin nyo. ang sine at cosine is same, then tangent, then cotangent ay same, ang secant, then cosecant ay same. Ang kinaibahan lang, lahat ng C ay negative. So, yun lang yung tip ko sa inyo para ma-memorize nyo itong mga formulas sa inverse trigonometric function. So, let's start with the example number 1. So, differentiate the functions y is equals to x arc sine 2x. So, observe nyo yung ating function. Gagamitan natin siya ng product rule. Why? Kasi itong x ay yung u natin, then itong arc sine 2x is the v. So, ano na ulit yung product rule natin? 'Di ba? U dv plus v du. So, derivative ng uv. So, sulat natin, ang u natin is the x, du natin is 1. V natin is arc sine 2x. Then, ang dv naman natin is, ano yung dv natin pag arc sine? Du over dx all over 1 minus u squared. So, sulat ko lang, dito na lang. Ang derivative ng arc sine ay du over dx. Wait, ibang color na lang. Du over dx all over 1 minus u squared. So, yan. So, ang du natin dito, ito ang u natin dito, di ba? So, du natin is 2. Tama? Then, all over 1 minus ang u natin is 2x. So, 2x squared. So, sulat natin, magiging y prime is equals to u dv plus v du. So, x plus times. So, x times 2 all over square root of 1 minus 2x squared plus v natin na arc sine 2x. Then, ang du natin is 1. So, y prime is equals to x. Then, simplify natin itong part na ito. So, itong part na yan, simplify natin. So, magiging 2 all over square root of 1 minus 4x squared. Tama? Plus arc sine 2x. Then, ito, pwede nating i-distribute dito. Tama? So, y prime is equals to 2x all over square root of 1 minus 4x squared. Plus arc sine 2x. So, yan yung ating answer for the number 1. So, next, number 2 tayo. Ba't ayaw mapindot? Next is number 2. Y is equals to arc sine x cubed. So, same kanina. Ang derivative ng arc sine is du over dx all over square root of 1 minus u squared. So, gawin natin. So, magiging y. Ang u pala natin dito is x cubed. So, ang du natin dito is 3x squared. So, sulat natin, magiging y prime is equals to du over dx. So, 3x squared all over square root ng 1 minus x cube squared. So, magiging y prime is equals to 3x squared all over 1 minus x raised to the 6th power. So, ito yung ating number 2. So, madali lang siya basta memorize nyo yung mga formula natin. Next, number 3, y is equals to arc cosine square root of x. So, ang u natin dito is the square root of x. Pero 'di ba kapag square root, pwede natin siyang i-write as x raised to 1/2. Then, ang arc cosine natin, ang derivative ng arc cosine natin is negative du or du over dx all over square root ng 1 minus u squared. Then, cosine siya, so meron tayong negative. So, negative siya. So, ito po yung ating derivative ng arc cosine. So, sulat na natin. Ang du natin dito is 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2. So, y prime is equals to 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 all over. So, negative pala. Sulat natin yung negative dito. All over 1 minus x raised to 1/2 raised to 2. Then, simplify natin. So, itong 1/2, bababa yung 2 sa baba. Tama? So, magiging negative. Wala palang matitira kasi, wait lang. Diba ito, since negative siya, magiging 1 over x raised to 1/2. So, bababa pala din yan. So, magiging 1 na lang dito, then 2 x raised to 1/2. Then, square root ng 1 minus, so ito, 1/2 times 2 is 1. So, x na lang to. Simplify natin dito, magiging y prime equals to negative 1 all over 2. Then, yung x raised to 1/2, di ba, square root of x yan. Then, square root ng 1 minus x. So, ito na yung ating answer sa number 3. So, kung gusto nyo i-simplify pa, magiging y prime is equals to negative 1 all over 2. Then, distribute natin si square root of x. Magiging x minus x squared. So, ito pa yung isang answer. Okay, next, number 4. Y is equals to arctan 3x. So, ang formula po ng derivative ng arctan is du over dx all over 1 plus u squared. So, kunin muna natin yung u natin, 3x. Then, ang du natin is 3. Then, y prime is equals to 3 all over 1 plus 3x squared. So, y prime is equals to 3 all over 1 plus, so distribute natin, magiging 9x squared. answer for number 4. So, next is number 5. So, y is equals to arctan x raised to 2. So, paano natin i-derive yan? So, kung mapapansin nyo, chain rule. Tama? So, derive natin, y prime is equals to 2, then arctan x, then derivative nung loob. So, ang derivative ng loob, di ba ang arctan is du over dx all over 1 plus u squared. So, ito yung arctan. So, magiging 1 all over 1 plus x squared. So, simplifying, magiging 2 all over 1 plus x squared arctan x. So, di ba naalala nyo yung sinabi ko na ang mga inverse trigonometric is merong negative 1 sa taas? So, kapag isusulat natin to as sagot na ganun is y prime is equals to 2, 1 plus x squared, then tangent raised to negative 1, x. So, ito. Sa calcu kasi walang arc. So, ang gagamitin natin sa calcu is yung negative. Tama ba? Or baliktad yung sinasabi ko? So, number 6. So, dito tayo sa number 6. Ang number 6 natin is y is equals to 1 plus x squared arctan x minus x. So, first, yung first na gagawin natin is check nyo muna kung anong gagawin natin. So, itong first, so may two terms tayo. First term, then the second term. So, sa first term, malinaw na malinaw, gagamitin natin is product rule. So, ano na ulit yung product rule? U dv plus v du. So, kunin natin ang u natin dito is 1 plus x squared. Ang du naman natin is 2x. Ang v natin dito is the arctan x. Then, ang dv natin is, ano na yung arctan ulit? Du over dx all over 1 plus u squared. So, magiging 1 over 1 plus x squared. So, sulat natin, y prime is equals to u natin na 1 plus x squared, dv natin na 1 over 1 plus x squared, plus v natin na arctan x, du natin na 2x. Then, ito, wag natin kakalimutan. Ang derivative ng negative x is negative 1. So, basta dyan na lang. Negative 1. So, simplify natin. Malinaw na makakancel ito. Tama? So, ang matitira na lang dyan is 1 plus arc tan x. Or sulat na natin yung 2x pala sa harap. So, magiging 2x arc tan x minus 1. So, ito, positive 1, then negative 1. Wait, ibahin kong color para mas malinaw. So, positive 1, then negative 1. So, makakancel din yan. Kaya ang matitira lang is y prime is equals to 2x, ayusin ko, 2x arctan x. So, ito yung ating answer for number 6. So, yun lang yung ating example sa derivative of inverse trigonometric function. So, kailangan i-memorize nyo po yung mga formulas para mas mabilis tayong mag-solve. So, practice solving lang guys. Bibilis din kayo mag-solve kapag paulit-ulit kayo nagsasolve. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Please comment on watching, then your name and your section. Bye guys!